In this video, I'm going to show you how to make corn pancakes. And it's a really special recipe for me because my grandmother used to make them for me and my brothers growing up. And the delicious smell of the pancakes throughout the house in the morning is just so amazing and it reminds me of her. So now I want to share my grandmother's corn pancake recipe with you. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make the corn pancake batter. So to start, we just need 1 can of corn. Instead of draining the water, you're just going to throw the whole contents of the corn right into the bowl. Alright, next I'm going to add some sugar. I actually ran out of regular sugar, so I'm just going to substitute this. Now I'm going to add some cinnamon. I like to be heavy-handed on the cinnamon. I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. And then now we're going to add some flour in. I'm using regular AP flour, which is the way that my grandmother used to make it, but if you want to try a gluten-free version, you can do that. And the funny thing is that my grandmother actually showed me how to make this, and I asked her for a recipe. She laughed at me and she said, "There's no recipe, you just make it." So the important key for this is to know what the batter should look like. So I just started with a little bit of flour, and it clearly needs more. So I'm just gonna add a couple more tablespoons here until we get the right consistency. Now it shouldn't be too dry, and there's actually a fix. Don't worry, if you add too much flour, then you can just add a little bit more water. Alright, so that's looking pretty good there. As you can see, that literally took like a minute, so super quick. Now we're gonna switch over to get our pan nice and hot and start frying these up. Make sure that the bottom of the pan is coated with the oil, so just swirl that. Alright, and we'll wait for that to get hot, and then we'll start cooking our corn pancakes. Now, leave some space in between so they don't get stuck together, but you can, I usually just like to go around. And we're just gonna fry these up in batches. Just like that. Cool. And you can just check it by like looking a little bit, and I like them to get pretty crispy on the outside, so you can leave it cook. You'll see the edges are starting to cook here. So we'll just give it another second here, and then we'll flip them over. And wow, look at that nice golden brown. Now, mine are a little bit more brown too because I use coconut sugar. I use like a granulated sugar. Yeah. Alright, let's give them a try now. Can't wait. Just how I remember. They're super crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and just super delicious. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Hit like and subscribe for more amazing cooking videos like this one. And happy eating!